Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you about how to SharePlay on Apple Music. So before you begin, the host must have an iPhone with iOS 18 or later and must be an Apple Music subscriber. Participants must have an iPhone with iOS 18 or later but don't need to have an Apple Music subscription. Everyone must have an internet connection and Bluetooth turned on. And the last one is that everyone must allow their contacts to discover them when playing music to a speaker. So if you want to be the host on your iPhone, then all you have to do is go to the music app on your iPhone. While a song is playing, tap the mini player to open the now playing screen. Tap this button, this icon, then select a playback destination. The music will start to play to the device you selected. Tap the mini player again to open the now playing screen, then tap this icon. A QR code appears. Tap QR code to enlarge it, and the other people will scan that QR code and join with your SharePlay. And that's how to SharePlay on Apple Music. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.